Ever wondered how your life will change tomorrow with AI or even next year? It's a bit scary, isn't it? And you're definitely not alone. I've been thinking about this question for months and I've come to a realization. Whatever we invent from this point forward, it seems we've created the ultimate invention, one that may eventually invent almost everything else for us. Look around. Large corporations are already reducing staff because of AI. AI is influencing design, medicine, engineering, and decision-making at every level. You can see the direction this is heading. Just 10 years ago, software was useful mainly because it could do specific tasks. AI has completely changed that. And here's the uncomfortable part. Even the people who built these systems openly say they don't fully understand how they work. That's mind-blowing. If that's the case, how can any of us fully understand what AI will and won't be able to do in the future? The truth is, we can't. So the real question becomes, how do you plan for your future when the most powerful technology you've ever created is still not fully understood? I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to give you a game plan, a clearer way to think about it. My name is Peter. I'm a trained lawyer and engineer, and I've spent over a decade working in complex environments helping organizations manage risk and make better decisions under uncertainty. Through my consulting work, I've designed structured decision and risk frameworks for high-stakes situations and many different clients. What I've consistently seen is that the people and teams who navigate major change well are rarely the ones with the most information. They're the ones who have a clear, repeatable way of deciding. I'm now applying the same structured approach to help professionals and business owners deal with the rapid changes being driven by AI and new financial technologies like blockchain. And based on what I'm seeing, here are the 4 important assumptions I believe every professional and business owner should be working from. Assumption 1 is traditional middle management and purely operational roles will continue to shrink. The ability to communicate clearly, influence people, and create value directly will become more important, whether you're employed or running your own business. Assumption 2 is corporations will use AI agents far more aggressively than most people expect. This creates a new skill set, the ability to direct, manage, and troubleshoot AI systems effectively. Assumption 3 is companies will increasingly want people who think like owners, entrepreneurs, or operators who can build, improve, and scale things, rather than people who simply follow processes. And assumption 4 is blockchain and digital assets will become part of the new financial and operational infrastructure. Understanding how these systems work will matter both for your career and for protecting your own capital over the long term, but also your business. These shifts are already underway. But here's the deeper issue most people are missing. Even if you understand these trends, most professionals are still making decisions the same reactive way they always have, with more information, more tools, more noise, but no clearer personal system for deciding what actually matters. In a world that is speeding up, that gap compounds. The people who do well won't just be the ones who know about AI or digital assets. They'll be the ones who upgrade how they make decisions under uncertainty. And this is exactly why I developed the AI-proof decision architecture. It's a practical system designed for professionals and business owners who want a clearer, personalized way of making decisions in a fast-changing environment. Inside my program, you get a personalized decision strategy built around your specific situation and goals, a clear step-by-step process for evaluating opportunities and risks, practical templates and tools you can use immediately, a structured approach that reduces fear, uncertainty, and decision fatigue. The goal is simple: help you replace reactive decision-making with a calm, consistent system you can rely on, even when the environment around you is shifting quickly. If this way of thinking resonates with you, I've put a link in the description where you can apply for a private strategy session. On that call, we'll look at your current approach and explore whether building a clearer, personal decision system would be useful for your situation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.